Samsung x Google is finally here. What's up guys, so for the past month we've seen Google and Samsung's relation getting deeper and deeper like two lovers. Samsung dished its Tizen OS for a reason and now we know why. We have exclusive breaking news coming via 9to5google.com. The next Pixel 6 will be powered by a new Google-made Whitechapel chip. This is Google's first processor that is made in collaboration with Samsung. It uses Samsung's latest 5nm architecture, and no, it's not Exynos 1080 as we have expected before. It's a completely new processor built in collaboration with Samsung. 9to5Google has seen a document related to Whitechapel that had many references to Samsung's Exynos chip. The codename GS101 was mentioned. GS here could be a reference to Google x Samsung. In addition to Google Pixel 6, this chip will be used in the upcoming Chromebook devices, very similar to how Apple utilizes their own processors in their phones and their laptops. Google is doing the same thing and building the ecosystem in collaboration with Samsung. For the first time, Google will not be using Qualcomm chips. Just imagine the optimization, Google's own processor on their own software. We could potentially see amazing software optimization, especially third-party apps like Instagram, Snapchat. During the end of 2020, Google CEO said that they're doing some heavy investments when it comes to hardware. That comment from the CEO himself pretty much confirmed Google's plan of building their own processor. Now, on top of having their own new hardware in collaboration with Samsung for their Pixel 6, it's very likely that they might have a new camera hardware as well, again with Samsung's help. We don't have any concrete leaks, but considering the relationship between Samsung and Google, Google could actually utilize Samsung's camera hardware for their Pixel 6 flagship phone. Google's camera APK software code already confirmed that Pixel 6 is coming with a new front camera that has the capability to record 4K videos for the first time. The code also revealed that Pixel 6 will have a centered punch hole design similar to how Samsung devices look. Guys, I am super duper excited. It's time to make Pixel devices great again with Samsung's help. As for the release date, 9to5Google reports that they will be launching this chip in 2021. Of course, Pixel 6 will be the first device getting this new chip. Let me know your thoughts about this exciting news in the comments below. Also in the news, Samsung has just killed Xiaomi's foldable phone. Xiaomi took a lot of pride on stage announcing that their foldable phone is $500 cheaper than Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 2, and now Samsung has trolled them big time by completely slashing $500 off of Galaxy Z Fold 2's official pricing. Yes, very soon, all over the world, the Z Fold 2 will be costing $1,500 instead of its usual $2,000 price. And that completely kills the momentum of Xiaomi's Mi Mix Fold. The Z Fold 2 is a much better looking foldable phone than Xiaomi's Mi Mix Fold. Xiaomi is using dark wallpapers in their marketing images of Mi Mix Fold, which doesn't really show the bezels, but in reality, the bezels are thick. I do respect that Xiaomi has done some good stuff like having a liquid lens, a great camera system, Snapdragon 888, but they also made some dumb decisions like not having a high refresh rate on the main display that most people will be using for scrolling the web and using Twitter. How can you not have a 120Hz refresh rate on a $1,500 foldable phone? Is just crazy. In my opinion, Samsung pretty much killed the momentum by slashing the price off of Z Fold 2. Again, let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Now, last but not the least, the S21 sales are skyrocketing in US market. Courtesy of Counterpoint Research, we have a graph that shows a sales comparison between the S21 series and the last year's Galaxy S20 series. You can see the difference of sales in first 6 weeks is just insane. Once again, Samsung's decision of starting the S21 series at $800 has made all the difference. I'm really happy for their success. So that's all the latest news. Google's own processor is finally coming on top of their own software. Just like Apple, Google can take the optimization on their own pure Android phones to next level. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.